Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you another news update. At one time or another, all of us have been or probably will be first-time home buyers. The process can be a little scary and overwhelming, and the pressure doesn't seem to be lightening up anytime soon. According to an article by the Pennsylvania Association of Realtors, the percentage of first-time home buyers have dropped to 30% from its original 34% last year. Even more, it has dropped an additional 1% from June until September 2021. The main reason? First-time buyers are struggling with affordability in our current market. Despite this factor, home sales are still moving rather quickly with an average of only 17 days on the market. Another factor that is halting first-time home buyers from finding success is the fact that 23% of accepted home offers today are all cash, which is just something that not everybody can compete with. It's a tough market out there for everyone right now, but especially for those first-time buyers looking to make their way into their first home. If you're a first-time buyer, let us know how it's going in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.